Skip this video if you're not interested in a high-paid career in IT. Finding a job that's satisfying, teaches you new skills, and is secure in the future is tough. That's why so many people are choosing to train in in-demand IT skills. EduCompare partners with experienced course providers who offer courses all over the country. Our partners will help you find the perfect course to upskill and boost your CV. IT skills are really sought after, especially in cybersecurity, data storage, and backup and network infrastructure. EduCompare can help you find courses for all these and more. Courses can be done online from anywhere. They're totally flexible in terms of the hours and how long you need to complete them. And there are finance options to help you pay in an affordable way. So, what's stopping you? We'll do the legwork for you. All you have to do is click the blue button, visit EduCompare, and answer a few easy questions. And don't forget about us when you're a tech billionaire.